Second monitor not detected on Windows 11? In the next few seconds, I'll share what to do to fix it. Stay tuned for solutions to enhance your dual monitor experience. Right-click the Windows button and select Device Manager. Locate and expand the Display Adapters tab on the Device Manager window. Right-click on your graphics card, and from the list of options, select Update Driver. Select the Search Automatically for Drivers option as the Update Driver window opens. Now, wait until Windows completes the search for the latest driver. Finally, follow the simple on-screen process to update your display driver to its latest version. Press the Windows key +I to open Settings on your PC. Then, click on the Display tab under System Settings. Now scroll down and click on the Advanced Display option. Then, from Select a Display to View or Change its Settings tab, choose the display for which you want to change the frequency. Finally, from the Choose a Refresh Rate tab, select a refresh rate that both the displays support. Right-click the Windows button and select Device Manager. Then, locate and expand the Display Adapters tab from the list in the Device Manager window. Right-click on your graphics card driver and select Properties on the list. On the Properties window, click on the Driver tab and select the Rollback Driver option. On the warning pop-up, select the option Previous version of the driver performed better. Finally, click on the Yes button below. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.